Hello everyone, welcome back to the Justice Junction. Today we are diving into fascinating world of foreign legal words and expressions. You might have come across these terms in legal dramas or while reading about interesting court cases. But what exactly do they mean and how do they shape the legal landscape? We will be exploring words like ad hoc, enactus reus, and a priori. Each of these phrases carries a unique essence and plays a crucial role in legal context. Join us as we unravel the meaning behind these expressions, understand their interpretation in legal world, and appreciate the richness they bring to legal discussions. Let's start. First of all, we are going to discuss about what is legal words and phrases of foreign origin. Legal words and phrases of foreign origin refers to words or phrases commonly used in legal documents, contracts, and discussions that come from language used in legal proceedings, which is often in official language of a particular country. For example, Latin phrase habeas corpus and pro bono are often used in legal context, even though they are not in the language of the country's legal system. Imagine you are in a big room filled with people who speak different languages. In the legal world, there are certain words and phrases that originally come from other countries or language. These words are like special codes that lawyers and judges use to communicate important ideas. These foreign words help lawyers and judges express ideas in a specific and precise way. Learning them is like adding cool tools to a legal superhero's belt. So when you hear these words, you will know they are like two secret handshakes among legal experts. Let's pro tempore, for the time being, कुछ समय के लिए. Next word is qua, with respect to, के संबंध में. Next word is quantum merit, as much as he or she earned, जितना उसने कमाया. Next word is quasi-contract, a contract implied in law, contract that exists by order of a court. कानून में निहित एक अनुबंध जो न्यायालय के आदेश से अस्तित्व में है. Next word is quasi-judicial, sharing of qualities of an approximating of what is judicial. जो न्यायिक है उसके गुणों को साझा करना और उसका अनुमान लगाना. Next word is quid pro quo, something for something, कुछ के बदले कुछ. Next word is quo warranto, an order by the court or an authority in the form of writ. रिट के रूप में न्यायालय या किसी प्राधिकारी द्वारा किया गया आदेश. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज क्वाड वाइड, विच सी, जो देखते हैं. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज रीजन डेट्रे, रीजन फॉर द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ थिंग, वस्तु के अस्तित्व का कारण. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज रेप्रोचमेंट, रेस्टोरेशन ऑफ हार्मोनियस रिलेशंस, सौहार्दपूर्ण संबंधों की बहाली. Next word is ratio decidendi, the reasoning of a judicial decision or a principle laid down in case by court. किसी न्यायिक निर्णय का तर्क या अदालत द्वारा किसी मामले में निर्धारित सिद्धांत. Next word is res gestae, the facts surrounding or accompanying a transaction which is subject of legal proceedings. लेन देन से जुड़े या उससे जुड़े तथ्य को कानूनी कार्यवाही का विषय है. Next word is res integra, a point which must decided on principle. एक मामला पहले ही तय हो चुका है. Next word is res judicata, a case already decided. ऐसा मामला जो पहले से ही तय हो चुका है. Next word is res nullius, a thing which has no owner. ऐसी वस्तु जिसका कोई स्वामी नहीं है. Next word is रेस्पेरेट डैमिनो, लॉस फॉल्स ऑन ओनर, नुकसान मालिक पर पड़ता है. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज रिस्पोंडेंट सुपीरियर, लेट द प्रिंसिपल बी हेल्ड रिस्पॉन्सिबल, प्रिंसिपल को जिम्मेदार ठहराया जाए. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज रिस्पोंसा प्रूडेंटियम, द ओपिनियंस आर एंड डिसीजंस ऑफ लर्न्ड लॉयर्स, विद्वान वकीलों की राय और निर्णय. Next word is re nunquam moritur, the king never dies. राजा कभी नहीं मरता. Next word is sign a die indefinitely, अनिश्चित काल तक. Next word is sine qua non, indispensable condition or qualification, अपरिहार्य शर्त या योग्यता. Next word is spes succession, mere hope of succeeding to property, संपत्ति में सफल होने की मात्र आशा. Next maxim is stare decisis, the principle that decision of court in previous cases must be followed in subsequent cases of similar nature. यह सिद्धांत के पिछले मामलों में अदालतों के निर्णय का समान प्रकृति के बाद के मामलों में पालन किया जाना चाहिए. Next word is status quo, to maintain the present state of affairs, मामलों की वर्तमान स्थिति को बनाए रखना. Next word is statute, an act of parliament, संसद का एक अधिनियम. Next word is sub dio it lege, king is beneath the law, राजा कानून के अधीन है. Next word is sub judice, under judicial consideration or course of trial, न्यायिक विचार या मुकदमे के तहत. Next word is sub poena, an order of a court to a person to appear and give evidence before it, किसी व्यक्ति को उसके समक्ष उपस्थिति होने और साक्ष्य देने के लिए अदालत का आदेश. Next word is sui generis, the only one of its kind, अपनी तरह का एक मात्र. Next word is suo moto, on its own motion, अपनी गति पर. Next word is suppressio veri, statute obtained by fraud, धोखाधड़ी से प्राप्त कानून. Next word is supra, that is above, ऊपर. Next word is terminus ad quem, the finishing point, समापन बिंदु. Next word is torpis causa, a base or vile consideration on which no action can be founded, एक आधार या घृणित विचार जिस पर कोई कार्यवाही आधारित नहीं हो सकती. Next word is ubremeified, of the utmost good faith, अत्यंत अच्छे विश्वास का. Next word is ultra vires, outside the power of, की शक्ति के बाहर. Next word is wide, refer to, देखें. Next word is vis major, irresistible force, अप्रत्योद्य बल. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us today to learn about the foreign legal words and legal phrases. Keep learning, keep participating, and keep exploring. And stay tuned, stay informed, and stay engaged. Goodbye. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.